Okie doke. What I'm about to show you guys something most people on YouTube don't show you. I'm going to show you how to not fix your discs. Now, my Xbox hates Modern Warfare 2, literally. I bought 2 friggin' copies of this thing, each of them the same fates. I didn't tip it over, I didn't do anything, but of course, the well-known perfect ring. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right. So this is just a boredom video, and the fact that there's a lot of methods people will tell you on YouTube. Just heads up, do not do these methods at all. You will just ruin your disc even more. Before y'all ask, I don't have the money for a hard drive right now. Okay. First things first. Coins. They don't work. No. You just scratch them up more. There's more scratches right there. Yeah. Next method. Deodorants. That, in theory, I don't know. I'm just applying random things to my disc and hoping it works, but no, this does not work at all. Do not use it. This one, I don't even know why I tried it. BBs. Airsoft BBs. Now, just in case you're wondering, this is what I did. Okay, hopefully the camera's an angle. I'm doing this off my dang iPod. Okay. Putting the finger through the disc. Okay. Yeah, it's getting all over there. Hopefully that showed. As you can see, no help at all. Oh boy, what else did I try? Oh yeah, first method. Cleaning it with a cloth and restarting your system. No, doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. No, not at all. Speaking of which, I should close that before I end up breaking the dang thing. Alright. Another method. Active pads. Don't work. All they do is just lure you into a false sense of security. They do not work. And the most recent method, you guessed it, I hope you did, shaving cream. Just does not work. I've tried body spray, as you can see up there. I've tried, oh gosh, what haven't I tried? Oh gosh, I haven't tried rubbing it with a disc that does work. Let's try that. Left 4 Dead. Love it. Excuse me for the squeaky springs. My parents used to have this bed. Still at night I shudder. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see this. Left 4 Dead. It's working. Modern Warfare 2. It's not working. I should probably stop that before I scratch Left 4 Dead up, too. Yeah. I'm a very stupid person. But anyway, not much effect. The guy only did it for like a half second. Let's give this another shot. Okay. Reading. See? Don't work. Wasn't even a little kick in the cooling thing. Mind you, I'm doing this from my iPod, so bad quality, just Feck it, as long as you can make out the shapes, don't matter. Yeah. So I don't know what the deal is. This is on. It's even happened with the rented copy. But look, both games don't work. Like I said, didn't tip it over, didn't do anything, but I bought it online, so I can't return it. Same thing happened one time, just once with Left 4 Dead and Call of Duty 4, but you know, managed to save up for another copy of each, which still work to this day. So if I find any new outrageous methods, toothpaste doesn't work on perfect rings. No, I forgot to mention that. I'm not even gonna bring toothpaste in here, but it worked on my Resident Evil 4 game. Does not work with the perfect rings on Xbox. Don't even try it. It just ruins it more. Oh gosh, that might be it. I've tried gum. I've tried a pink pearl eraser. I tried sandpaper. Yep. Tried magnets. So any of those methods, I would keep this in a playlist or favorite it. Any quick reference if you are one of those people who like to scan YouTube at night and look at what other than porn about how ways to fix your discs. Apparently the only way to do it is most video stores doesn't even work. I really do not know how to fix these discs. But if I find a way, I will let you know.